In a survival situation, having the right gear is essential. Today, I'll walk you through the must-have items that every survivalist should carry to stay safe and prepared. A reliable backpack is your first line of defense. Choose one that's durable, lightweight, and has multiple compartments. Make sure it's comfortable for long treks and can hold all your essential gear without straining your back. Fire is crucial for warmth and cooking. Always carry a fire starter, like waterproof matches or a magnesium fire stick. Practice using these tools so you can make a fire in any weather condition. Water is a top priority in any survival scenario. Carry a sturdy water bottle and a portable water filter or purification tablets. These can make almost any water source safe to drink in minutes. A well-stocked first aid kit can handle cuts, scrapes, and other minor injuries. Include essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications you need. Getting lost is a real risk, so always have a map and compass. A GPS device is great, but you shouldn't rely on it alone. For signaling, a whistle or a mirror can attract attention from far away, and a flashlight with a strobe setting can be seen at night. Your knife is your most versatile tool. It's essential for building shelters, preparing food, and self-defense. A multi-tool with pliers and screwdrivers can help you tackle a variety of tasks in the wild. Being prepared is the best way to ensure your safety in any survival situation. Carry these essential items, practice using them, and you'll be ready for whatever comes your way. Remember, survival isn't just about gear. It's about being ready and staying calm.